party people, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. Hello. Guess what I have today? I am here today. I haven't even opened this. I opened this little package and I was like, what's this? And I was like, oh, okay. This is from Softflex. This is, I don't know what this is. We're going to get into this, but I'm pretty sure, I'm like, what if I'm completely wrong? I'm like 95% sure this is Spider Queen. So we're going to do an unboxing. Let's get on down to the mat. Get this part started. Okay, you guys. Listen to this little description they gave me. It says, all rise, the queen is arriving. Lovely. Thunder shakes the throne room and the shadows descend from the high dome above. The Titan widow plunges down in a magnificent column of spider silk and crypt dust. Crypt dust? Oh boy. She lands with the tiny tabs of arachnid paws on the tile. The sound echoes in the breathless chamber. Jeez, they're really getting serious. Lightning flashes and the queen changes form. She's human, cloaked in a black dress. Oh, and gossamer web. I think that's how you say it. Spiderlings dance on her shoulders. The frightful monarch is here to spread Halloween cheer. Do you dare accept her dark offerings? Ooh, spooky. Spooky, spooky. Okay, so let's see what else they have to say about this. So, Softflex Company and monthly mystery design kit details. Here we go. So, this design kit retails for $33.95 and includes everything that you need to make a few jewelry projects. Okay, we don't want to look at this because this tells us what's in there. So don't look at that. So, what else are they telling us? They're saying this is one of the monthly projects. Is the Spider Queen. They have revealed this on their channel on September 28th. So if you want to go check out their reveal, you can do that. There's also a, that Softflex always does like a little, it's this thing right here. The design kit challenge, if you want to go check it out. Okay. So you can visit Softflex, www.softflexcompany.com if you want to get the Spider Queen. I'm excited. I don't even know what's in there and I'm excited. We have recently started doing the Softflex design kits and they've been really fun and you guys have really liked them a lot, so I'm super excited. So swing over there and get you one if you want to. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, what beautiful things inside. That's just too cute. Now, I have not seen any of this. I have been successfully ignoring the internet. But I'm excited about it. All right. Okay. Well, that looks fun. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that one strand was already got beads coming off it. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Where's my list? Okay. Fun. Alright, Softflex, the Spider Queen Design Kit Content. Softflex Purple Amethyst Color, 0.19 medium beading wire. So that's this guy in pure amethyst. Now, I love this. I think I do have this color. Let me zoom in a little bit. I think I do have something similar to this. I obviously really love Softflex wire. I do like that it's purple and I'm super excited about it. Next up, we have the Softflex 2x2 black oxidized sterling silver crimp tubes. Oh. Okay, that must be in this little baggie of business. These all look really fun. Oh, there's a staple. Okay, I ain't trying to mess around with those staples. Okay, here's our crimp tubes. Sterling silver, they said. Now, this is also a little baggy of business. It's got some spiders. Ooh, look at these spiders. Those are cool. Okay, then we have gunmetal ear wires. Here we go. Lobster clasp. We got that. Jesse James Beads Custom Bead Mix, which we're going to take a more in-depth look at here momentarily. Silver-plated spider charms, which I can assume are these. You guys, I already have a plan. Just so you know, I already have a plan. Silver-plated spider webbed charms. These guys here, also very cute. Okay. Clear fire polish check glass pinch beads. That must be these ones. Now, I do enjoy these very much because these are these might go perfectly with my plan. They're very small. I like that. 6 by 8 millimeter purple and yellow gem cut check glass rondelles. Now that's these. Now we had these some similar, not these exact ones, but we just made something with these from this similar bead from Foxy Lady. We had a similar design shape. Well, it was the same shape, different colors. You guys, they were so good in that necklace I made. It was my favorite necklace of the whole design kit. So I'm super excited about these. And they're kind of like lime greeny. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, sorry. 5 millimeter opalite AB faceted check glass rounds. Now, I love some opalite. I really do. I just love it. It's one of my favorites. Some people call it milk glass. Now, I don't know if that's true, if that's like the same thing. So, opalite is actually a stone that is very expensive. So, you get a lot of this opalite glass, and although it's not, you know, the opalite stone, it's very good. I really like these a lot. This is going spectacularly. Smashing. Okay, 6 millimeter lavender AB faceted fire polish. That's these guys here. Lavender. These are going to go great with those. Very pretty. And then the last thing on this list is jet black check glass melon beads. Now, these are a little interesting. Let's check those out. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. I will tell you, I want to paint them. I don't know if I can, but I want to. But they're very cool. I love those a lot. Yeah. Okay, now we get into, I'm going to put these back in here. I'm going to get into this Spider Queen Jesse James bead mix. So, my understanding is that Jesse James makes specific bead mixes. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I had to turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. So, my understanding is that Jesse James Beads makes specific bead mixes for soft flex that you can only get in the kits, is my understanding of the situation. So, I'm just going to move all this out of the way so we can really get a look at it. Okay. Spider Queen, here we go. I'm a package ripper. I don't care. I just rip into it. It is what it is. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Now these are interesting. I'm going to move this up here. Those are interesting. They are gunmetal. They're a large hole. I like those a lot. Is there more of them? Oh, there's 4 of them. Very interesting. I don't know what I'll do with them, but they're very cool. Uh-oh, I just dropped something. I don't know what it was. Oh, it's a little white bead. Okay, so let's just get her sorted here. So we got some spiders, clearly, for the Spider Queen. Is there one more spider? Just 3 spiders. think there maybe there might, oh no. We got 2 gunmetal spiders, 2 bright silver spiders. Very cool. We've got some large purple crystals. Probably 4 of those. There we go. It's matching. We've got a little glass. There we go. We've got... I really like these. They're acrylic, but they're very sparkly. Jessie James uses these different colors, different sizes, and I really like them. They make for some good earring projects too because they're not heavy, so I do like that. Let's see. We've got some little rectangles. We've got some mermaid beads. Mermaid glass. Very cool. I like those a lot. Put those over here. Now I am seeing a lot of metal in here, and I really do appreciate that because, you know, I love me some metal. We got these little kind of just black and white guys, little stripies, and then we have a lot of, these are sparkly rondelles. Okay, gunmetal ones. Look, they match my nails. Gunmetal ones, gunmetal, there's probably 4. There we go. And then we also have some purple ones, which is super good. We've got a few of these. These look to be check glass or glass that's been electroplated. One of the two. Oh, it's kind of misshapen. Are they supposed to be this shape? Or is it? Oh, maybe it's a weird shape. I'm not sure about that. Let's see. Then we got a few drops. We got these super faceted drops. We've got some Pave AB super sparkly guys. Excuse me. Oh, and what else? A few spacers. I love some spacers. I got these, a lot of these little tops. Now these are black, but these could be interesting for some earrings or maybe even capping some beads. I think these are the ones yeah, these are the ones that form to the bead. Oh, good. I think we can make that work out where it's like hugging it. Probably. I like those. Got a few actual metal bead caps, and then some white Chinese crystals. Look to be size 6. We've got some, what are these? 6mm, probably Chinese crystal square cube beads, cubes. And then we got these little flat squares, which are very cute as well. These look to be maybe maybe hematite, something to that effect. So there we go. That's what we have inside of there. And then I'm going to bring it all back. So we got our crypt tubes, and we've got our spiders. Got all kinds of spiders. We've got earring wires. We've got these little spiders. Got a lobster claw. We got these black melon beads. Let's just get those in there. And we've got these guys, which are going to bring us some color, which are super fun. We've got these strands here, which are very nice. And we have our soft flex beading wire in amethyst color. Okay. And I believe that is all she wrote for the Spider Queen. So, with your design kit, you also get a coupon for $5 off a $30 order or more. It gives you this little list of all of the components. And then you also get to join in on the monthly contest. Again, this kit right here is $33.95. And I will say that I think that $33.95 for this kit is very good. All of these beads are basically check glass. Pretty much all of them are check glass, glass. Got a few crystals in there. And then you get the wire itself, which is really good. How many feet is this? 10 feet. And a few findings and stuff. And so I just think it's a good price point. So I am super excited about it. All right. We are going to jump into a plan video. So I'm going to log off here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and don't forget to visit Softlex, visit their website, and check out the Spider Queen. I was looking to see if they gave us any other information. It doesn't look like it. So I'm going to jump off, and I'm going to get into the planning video because I have a plan, and I'll be right back. Bye, guys.